Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to apply for a job at Wizz Air. Now guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Wizz Air application. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to Wizz Air. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Wizz Air videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the Wizz Air home screen where you can go and book a flight. So you can find booking here. You can book flights, hotels, or a car, as you can see. Also, you can put where you're leaving from, going to, departures, and how much passengers, and go and click on search. Of course, we have the My Discounts, which are in the bottom right corner, where you can have some discounts from the Wizz Club. We have the Pass, where you can have your boarding passes when you book a flight. Also, we have a fare finder, where you can go and find a fare here. So you can basically go and put everything and click that you want where you want to go. Also, we have on the top left corner, as you can see, we have a lot of options from your sign in, your rentals, cars, everything, customer service, your profile, settings, and of course at the end, the sign out button. Now guys, let's see how you can actually go and apply for a job at Wizz Air. To do so guys, you'll need to go to careers.wizzair.com, and there guys, you can go and apply for the job. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.